Hi everyone, come on into our room in Kona on the big island of Hawaii. And we have a refrigerator, coffee pot, ice pitcher, champagne glasses because we have champagne in our refrigerator. This is the sink. Toilet. The shower. Our closet. This is the weirdest room. This is our bedroom. We have no lights in the ceiling, just the side lights. The TV is sitting up there. The bed is sitting over here, so you have to move the TV so you can see it. And it just seems like this whole area over here should be something, but it isn't. And these are wooden shutters. Let me get it open. It goes outside to our porch or veranda or whatever you want to call it. Let me show you. This is our porch. And we go all the way around to that wall. It's huge. And then from our veranda, they're putting on a show. And we have the sunset. They're having a luau or some kind of private party, but I'm assuming it's a luau. So this is our setting here. This is the Royal Kona Resort. Close the door. And lock it. And then this door slides on back. And then this one slides. And that one slides. And this one does the same thing, and it all folds back to this right in here. So I like that, but this setup is just, I mean, I don't know what they want us to do on this, but like dance, maybe do the hula while they're playing the music out there. I don't know. It's just kind of a weird setup.